What is up, YouTube? It's been a minute. I know. It's okay. Come with bangers when it's time to talk. You know what I'm trying to say? Price Action Warrior shit. It's Price Action Keem here. I'm representing Price Action Warriors. That's my team, you know what I mean? Let's look at Bitcoin. Okay? I give you a little something on Bitcoin. Like I said, my community gets it all. Okay? They get it all. Okay? So first of all, this trend line we've been keeping an eye on for a minute, right? And basically we were saying we close above this trend line. Don't be surprised Bitcoin gets green, okay? Here's your close above right here. Look, touch the trend line, fall, touch it, 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 fall, close above. Look, now it's up, right? That's what I'm trying to tell you. This type of shit you learn price action words. We've been new this, we've been called this. We've been anticipating this, guys. Okay. Price action war has been anticipating this. I'm gonna show you proof how we've been anticipating this. Okay. What's today's date? 22nd. 10 days ago. Look what I said 10 days ago. Okay. Now let's go look at the chart. Now, basically what I was saying over here, you get a classic reversal setup to end a downtrend. What was a key signal that the downtrend was coming to an end? The break of the trend line. See this pink box right there? This was the culprit, okay? This was the culprit, okay? At first I had it basically this candle, basically, and if you get like all the wicks, yeah, even that. You mean this was the real signal, okay? Close above. Then it was boring. Look how many days it was boring. Look how many days you was boring. One. Whoa, this was the breakout. Let's not count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days. Enough to be. What's up with crypto, bro? This shit. You mean? I know that's how everybody thinks. Everybody's same shit. What's up with crypto? This shit's boring, bro. And whole time price action always smiling. We knew what Bitcoin today. Look at today Bitcoin. Look at today Bitcoin. Look at today Bitcoin. It came to test our daily level that we. This is where one of the price action warriors ended up going short. Caught the dump. Literally come next to that same level. Reaction. Okay. And how do we know that's a level? Because we understand price action and chart analysis. We know the real piff, the real sauce. Okay. You could have got in and you could have knew about all this shit for $25 a month, but we're not taking people right now. So that sign up shit is closed. We'll be taking people again soon. Remember, if the price is going up, don't be like, damn, the price, why? Listen, you had the chance, tiptoeing, biting your fingernails, don't want to lock in. See you later. I don't care. You know what I mean? That's just what it is, bro. You know what I mean? Look at this shit. Nice big green candles after this boring consolidation, okay? Reversal setup. And then look for the right shoulder. We're gonna zoom into right shoulder. Let me show you something. This is what you call multi-time frame analysis. Multiple time frame analysis, okay? So you get a nice reversal setup on the daily, and you broke trend line on the daily. And then what do you get on a 4-hour for your right shoulder? For your right shoulder, what do you get? You get a price action warrior spear, okay? You get a price action warrior spear, right? You get a price action warrior spear, and look what happens. This is a continuation setup. What are you continuing? You're continuing this uptrend, okay? Technically, this is the start of an uptrend because look, we're making higher lows. Look, bump, higher low, pump, dump, higher low, pump, okay? Look at the lows, they're getting higher. They're not getting lower, okay? So now this is the start of an uptrend, okay? And we can even measure that leg. We do some, bless you guys. You can measure the leg, okay? You put it to the low. So even if you wanted to, technically Bitcoin can go to 94. But remember, we're at a daily level. Daily level, okay? Daily level. You need power to break through a daily level, okay? And I'm going to show you why you need power to break through a daily level. Because this consolidation basically built pressure to break through this key level. And what was the level? Let me show you right now. This was the level. 85, basically 300. $85,300 was the key level. The bulls and the buyers couldn't get through the level. So what do? They consolidate the price at the right shoulder of the classical chart pattern. They consolidate the price, okay? They build pressure. See this tiptoeing, boo-boo bouncing back and forth. Hey, what's going on? Crypto's mad boring, okay? Crypto's mad boring. But they don't understand. Crypto is in a tight consolidation, getting ready for a squeezy price action warrior spear continuation of the prior trend. Even though we was in a downtrend, remember we break a trend line and we set up. Technically, this was the first sign of reversal right here. This was your first sign of reversal right here, okay? This is your first sign of reversal right here. A classical cup and handle, okay? Just picture a coffee cup. You grab it, the handle, and then this is the cup, okay? Handle. You close above, and then so that's what I'm saying. It goes from pattern to pattern, setup to setup, level to level, okay? That's how it is. And the market moves 3 ways. You're going up. You're boring consolidation like this, okay? So that's what I'm saying. You either trend up, this is reversal first, then you trend up, then you consolidate sideways. So uptrend, sideways consolidation, and then there's only one more thing. You get downtrend, okay? So up, sideways, downtrend. That's the only 3 ways the market moves, okay? That's it. There's nothing else to it. 3 ways. It might seem complicated, like what the hell is market? What the hell? Listen, 3 ways: up, sideways, down. That's it. Okay. Let me give you an example. Okay. Like obviously we've been up on the bigger time frame. You go weekly. Okay. Up, sideways, but this is a continuation sideways. So that's what it is. In the sideways too, you get this phases in the sideways. You're gonna consolidate to set up continuation, or the consolidation is gonna be a reversal too. Okay. In this instance, this is a broadening wedge. This right here is a broadening wedge. This is a continuation. Look, you close above. Bitcoin made a new all-time high. Okay. That's what happened with that consolidation. Then up here, we see uptrend. We had another consolidation sideways boring. Close below, technically small reversal, okay? Small reversal up here, but you didn't take out this high, basically this low and high over here, okay? And let me zoom back in to daily, because we was in, technically you could say this is a downtrend, but in reality it's a continuation as well. It was a consolidation continuation. Yes, we had a top on the daily. We topped out. We had fell. Okay, but we set up a continuation falling wedge. Okay, falling wedge is a bullish continuation consolidation. Okay, price tiptoeing around here, scaring people just to close above. Look back at 91 like it never left. Okay, that's it. All right. So that's some Bitcoin analysis for you guys. Okay, I know it's been a minute. Plus, I don't want to talk about the same shit. I mean, I want to come with new information. Okay. Do I know where Bitcoin's going next? I have an idea. Yes. But first, you need to close above key level. If Bitcoin don't close above key levels, guess what? It's not going nowhere yet. Okay. Obviously, over here, we're trying to reverse. Okay. Break thing. See you later. Okay. So it's not bad for Bitcoin. All right. Oh, what else can we look at? Oh, let's go look at gold. Let's go look at gold. Do you guys want to see gold? Let's go see gold, bro. Okay. Let's go look at gold real quick, bro. First of all, let me get rid of all this jibber jabber right here first. Okay. Let me get rid of all this. Because you guys need to see why you need to lock in with the price action warriors. Okay. And why you should have locked in when you had the chance. Okay. Because obviously right now we ain't taking people. But you had the chance. You can't say it wasn't there for you. Okay. So first of all, okay, this is our legendary call on gold. Okay. We told social media get long gold over here. Okay. Why did we say that? Because this is a weekly setup. Okay. You can say this is like a complex cup and handle. Okay. The point is you get a big green. You get two big green closes above this key level. Okay. 2,000. You can say $2,080 an ounce of gold. Okay. Since our call on that, let's see how much gold is up. Okay. Let's see how much gold is up since I call. If you would have got an aggressive long over here, since the break of the key level, gold has pumped 69%, making history. Gold, you think gold has never been $3,500 an ounce? You know what I'm trying to tell you? Gold has never been $3,500 an ounce. Excuse me, $3,500 an ounce. You've never seen gold in history, but today that history was made because of a weekly, monthly setup. Okay. Look at gold ever since then. You know what I mean? Gold is expensive. We said gold's gonna make headlines. Everybody's gonna be late. Everybody's worried about meme coins and all that. Your meme coin's not making all-time high. Gold's making all-time high. You know what I'm trying to say? That's why you gotta learn price action, so that way you follow the money. You wanna go where, oh, okay, they broke level. That means this one's gonna move. That's what you wanna do. You know what I'm trying to say? Look at gold. Legendary call. It's up $1,400 an ounce, bruh. You know what I'm trying to say? $1,400 an ounce, bro. If you don't lock in with us, you gotta lock in issues. I mean, you don't want to lock in. You just wanna let's go waste time, bro. And you mean that razzle shit, bro. Price action warrior shit, nigga. You know what I mean? This is where the piff's at right here. Okay, we told gold buy right here. Look, you would have been up making money. You would have made money. You listen to us. That's all. That's the point. Oh, $25 a month. Listen, you would have bought gold. You would have been a 1,400 an ounce on your gold. Okay, gold in general, gold necklace, anything gold went up $1,400 an ounce. Quiet. Okay, so that's another legendary call from us. Okay. We just on some legendary shit, bro. You gotta lock in. Okay? You just gotta lock in. That's it. Lock in. Oh, what else can I give yous? I'll give yous one more. What can I give yous? Cause I can't give too much, okay? Can't give too much. Let's look at a meme coin. Let's look at a meme coin. Okay? Let's look at Dogecoin. She been in a downtrend. Okay? Dogecoin been in a downtrend. Close above. She's green, okay? She's green. Why is she green? Because you get a close above trend line, okay? Trend line's 100%? Of course not. Nothing's 100% is market. Everything's probability, okay? But obviously, look at this trend line. It's been valid since technically January, right? So when you finally get a green candle close above with good volume, that's a break of structure, and technically the story can change now. So don't be surprised if you see Dogecoin back at 19 cents, 17 cents, okay? 2 cents per share, you're up. You have thousands of shares of Doge, you mean, do the math. You're gonna be eating, you know what I'm trying to say? Okay? Approaching a daily level right now, technically above this a daily level, okay? Technically above daily levels and flipping them, okay? So, you know what I mean? Don't be surprised you see Dogecoin, 19 cents. Can it reject here strongly and dump still? Of course it can. Remember, it has to surpass key levels too, okay? Technically, this is a daily level right too. We're literally at it, okay? If you don't close above that, kind of get back below this, that's kind of like a rejection, you know what I mean? It doesn't have to go, but don't be surprised Dogecoin goes to 19 cents. And then you get a nice W set up. And then you see Doge head towards 27 cents. Strong possibility, okay? It's a possibility. Price closes above 19 cents. You can see 27 cents. Dogecoin, okay? You can see Dogecoin 27 cents. And that's just reality of that situation, okay? Now, before I leave, I want to show you guys something. Okay, go to Price Action Warrior chat. Look at bro. Look at him. Look at bro. Bro got an 84,600. Why? Because he understood the break of the trend line. Bro understood the break of the trend line. And he was up 1,600%. And if he's still holding it, guess what? He's up way more than that. You know what I mean? He's definitely up like 3,000%, 2,000. I mean, facts, bro. Why? Because we know Piff. That's why. So for the people that's down with the Price Action Warriors, thank you. You're our biggest supporters. They don't know what they're talking about. So yeah, I'm hip. But what is that 1,600% telling you? And what did that close above trend line also tell you? It told you got real results over here. So it's either you lock in or you're gonna spend the rest of your life clocking in. You're either gonna lock in or spend the rest of your life clocking in. That's just what it is. Okay. That's it for this video. I wanted to give you guys something to show you that Price Action Warrior is still active. Activity, motion going on over here. Okay. Pretty soon sign-ups. Don't worry. As of right now, we're still closed. As soon as we're ready to sign people up, don't worry. Everybody will be notified. Thank you. Have a blessed day, YouTube.